ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Alright, today we'll be looking at bass clef and bass staff. The last time we met to discuss about treble clef and treble staff. I've told us what treble clef is and the other name for treble clef. Told us where we can find how we can draw the treble clef on the staff. I've told us what is called treble staff and or G staff. So let's look at bass clef now, which is the second type of clef that we have. Okay, when you see something like this that looks like our hair with two dots, it is called clef. And what type of clef is it? It is called bass clef. It looks like what? Like our hair. So some said it look like 7. You understand? So depending on how you view it, you understand? So another name for this bass clef is F clef. So another name for it is what?
F clef.
So either call it bass clef or F clef. Bass clef or what? Or F clef. And this will also be called bass staff or F staff. Alright. So let's look at how we can insert this on the staff. I've told us that once there is no clef on the staff, it is ordinary staff. There is no name you can call it than staff. But once you have the clef on the staff, you call it with the name of the clef. So this one, you start the drawing of this clef on the 4th line. This is the 4th line. And this 4th line will also be called line F, just like the treble staff. This line will be called line F. So it means this line got its name from where? From this clef. So here now, if you are to ascend, immediately after F we have G. This place will be G. And L got A. We start from A. Here we got B. Now if you are to go backwards, if this is F, we have E to be here. Here we have what? We have D. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here we got C. This will be B. And this was A. We have G back here. Yes. So this is for treble, and so this is for bass. The clef is bass clef or F clef, and the staff. Now the staff and the clef make us to call this bass staff. If it is empty, there is no clef in it, we call it what? We call it bass clef, and we call it ordinary staff. But once you have clef in it, and the clef is bass, we call it bass staff or F staff. F staff. So let me pause here so that I will not disturb your thinking. So I want you to go and study this very well. So in the next class, I'm going to split this just the way I've done to the treble staff. Thank you.